A pathway into healthcare. 11 seniors from 4 Beaufort County School District high schools are celebrating a major milestone after completing Beaufort Memorial Hospital's PATH program. These students are graduating from the program with hands-on real-world experience and industry-recognized healthcare credentials after training on the Beaufort Memorial campus to become certified patient care technicians or clinical medical assistants.
It's such an amazing opportunity because the staff that came and helped us, they really taught us how the medical assistant field works. We learned how to do phlebotomy, take vital signs from patients, patient care, wound care, take sutures out, which really helps for when I'm going to pursue my nursing career. It's just giving me that future step.
I think it jump-started me by giving me experience. For one, when we did clinicals, we had experience with everything that I could possibly need to know when I do get into my clinicals within my field. So it already gave me insight to where I just know what to expect when it comes.
2 of the students are heading straight into the workforce, beginning jobs at Beaufort Memorial. One of them will be starting her career while also continuing her education at a local college.
It'll be a good experience for me to be in college and working in a hospital, so getting both textbook knowledge and hands-on learning experience. So I think that'll be good to open doors for me.
The other students plan to continue their studies, pursuing nursing programs, or attending medical schools.
I'm going to Coastal Carolina for nursing so I can become a mental health nurse practitioner.
And I'm going to USC Upstate also for nursing, but I want to be a CRNA.
I'm going to Galen College of Nursing, and I would like to be a pediatric nurse practitioner.
I'm going to Albany State University. I'll be playing volleyball there, but I will be pursuing nursing. I hope to be a neonatal intensive care unit nurse.
Beaufort Memorial is proud of these students and are excited to see them begin their journeys in the healthcare field.
I would give them the advice to remember the teachings and the things that they've been taught. We've had a great opportunity to simulate the real life experience as well as the clinical experience that they had to do in the clinical setting. So just basically to lean back on the teaching that they got. It is evidence-based and they will start their career being BMH strong.
This is the second year the district has partnered with Beaufort Memorial Hospital to offer the PATH program. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.